Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If nasa crypto kayo guys, affiliate marketing, online business, or kahit managing multiple accounts, then this video is definitely for you. Today I will share a tool na ginagamit ng maraming pro users and marketers worldwide para maging safe, private, undetectable online. And that is Dolphin Anti. Pronounced as Dolphin Anti. So stick around dahil ay papaliwanag ko ano ang Dolphin Anti, paano siya gumana or gamitin, at bakit siya top choice for multiple accounting. So before tayo mag-start, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell button para more updates sa ating channel. Alright, let's go! So what is Dolphin Anti? So ano nga ba ang Dolphin Anti? Ito ay isang anti-detected browser. Ibig sabihin, isa siyang special browser na tumutulong sa iyo na maging anonymous online by changing your digital fingerprint. Now, ano ba ang digital fingerprint? Kapag gumamit ka ng normal na browser, may invisible data ka na may iwan tulad ng time zone, language, screen resolution, IP address, operating system, browser version, WebRTC, Canvas, at marami pang iba. And kapag pare-pareho yan, madaling ma-detect ng platform na isang tao lang ang gumagamit ng account na ito. Kaya ito nga is para sa mga gusto ng multiple accounts, para sa mga applications, website like Facebook, TikTok, or any social media or mapa application man yan. Pwede dito. Ito nga daw, minimal routine, the best teamwork. So pwede siya sa affiliate marketing and media buying. You can create ads from 100 accounts yan guys. Farm accounts, warm up, and launch. Digital agency para sa mga Facebook, TikTok. Gusto mo parami ng followers, pwede ka mag-create ng marami account dito guys. Across Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and maraming pang iba. Pwede yan guys. Undetectable, yung talagang hindi kayo mababan. Which is easily manage a large number of client accounts in social network. So maganda to kung meron kayong business or yung gusto nyo mag-boost ganyan. Which is organic siya, but dami accounts lang siya. E-commerce naman guys, scale your business in marketplace. 4 accounts yan on Amazon, 3 on eBay, and 4 on Shopify. Create as many accounts as needed kung gusto nyo. Ayan, ito yung example guys ng mga earnings nyo. Ayun nga guys, use the synchronizer to repeat actions across multiple profile, which is take automation to the next level na nga siya guys. Run several profiles through na nga sa mga synchronizer, and all actions from the master profile will be repeated in the other profiles. So yun nga guys, meron tayong libre dito guys. You can create naman din 200 monthly sa free natin na plan, and you can save 5 accounts naman. So dito nga pala pumapasok si Dolphin Anti, which is how Dolphin works. With Dolphin nga guys, you can create a unique fingerprint for every browser profile or tab yan. Meaning, pwede ka mag-run ng multiple accounts sa mga same platform. Hindi nagko-conflict ang accounts. Hindi ka madaling ma-flag or ma-ban. Perfect siya kung ikaw ay affiliate marketer, crypto user, airdrop hunter, social media manager, or kahit sino may multiple accounts. Plus, it's help you hide your real personal data, protect against IP hacks, bypass anti-fraud systems, increase privacy, and anonymity. So, ganyan kaganda tong kadalang service na ito guys. Kaya sa mahilig sa ganyan, multiple, this one is for you talaga. Work in comfort nga guys, which is interface design to make you comfortable with tags, statuses, notes, and mass action tayo guys. Ito yung example, user-friendly tools to, and for sorting and searching browser profiles din, which is pang farming to guys. Groups, may status or any criteria, use the layout, icons, and color indications quickly find browser profile. You can try this one guys for Mac OS, Windows, and add any PC and laptop yan guys. Ito naman for Mac action, which is create ka ng FB. Napakadaming FB yan guys. Example yan pwede ka mag-manage ng groups of profiles instantly through mass action, which is everything na kailangan mo is run as script lang. Export cookies, assign tags, pass to college, run in synchronizer, and more. Pwede mo i-run kada day or kung gusto mo siyang i-run guys, start mo lang ayan and the farming na siya and everything. I use a flexibility customize real fingerprints. Ito yung guys, yung magiging example natin which is yung gagawin mo para mag-create ng new profile. Meron tayong none. If you want to create a website, private IP, proxy, and ganyan. Pwedeng directed FB, for FB ba, or Google, or TikTok, and maraming iba, or crypto. Dito nga, create profile in one click, and manage fingerprints, flexibility, and use desktop and mobile fingerprints, which is coming soon siya guys. Magiging available siya sa iOS and Android. So why Dolphy nga daw guys? So why Dolphy nga ba? Why Dolphy Anti is a top choice nga ba? Ang maganda kay Dolphy, hindi lang siya powerful, user-friendly rin siya, and some of the main benefits is clean and intuitive interface, stable and secure na nga yung performance nila, constant updates and improvements din, meron sila dito improvements, at talaga makikinig sila sa community. Example, humingi ang user ng features tulad ng script builder, profile change history, and action sync. And yes, implement agad ng team yan. So yun nga, kapag may request yung mga community, talagang di-develop nila yan guys. That's a big plus. Lalo na kung long-term user ka. Siyempre sa mga long-term dyan, yung talagang ginagawang business to, pwede guys. Ano nga ba ang key features na magugustuhan mo rito? Now, let's talk about the features na talagang useful. So, yun nga is work with any proxy, SSH, SUX, HTTP, and support dynamic proxies. Pwede mong palitan IP directly sa interface, automatic fingerprint generation kapag nag-clone ka ng profiles, bulk import and export ng cookies, simulate manual login para iwas anti-frog detections, keyboard shortcut for faster workflow, which is meron tayong shortcut keyboard binds. So, alam mo lang siya i-click. Example, macOS CMD plus Shift plus B. Sa Windows naman, Control plus Shift plus B. So, yun nga, directed agad dyan, makapag-create kayo or login. Pwede rin siya for solo users, teams, agencies, mga gusto nyo. Ayan, pwede rin yan guys, kahit saan, kahit kanino. And bonus guys, may free 5 to 10 profiles ka dito to start testing. So, pwede mo talaga subukan bago mag-upgrade. Kung gusto mo mag-upgrade. So, ito nga guys, ano ba ang free versus paid plans? Worth it ba? So, now let's talk about kung casual testing lang, okay na yung free version. Pero kung seryoso ka sa productivity at multiple accounting, worth it talaga ang paid plans, which is sa paid plans guys, you can unlock restore detected profile via basket, more profiles, basic up to 100, sa team naman guys up to 300, enterprise is 1,000 up to 10,000 yan plus, ultimate team members, role and access control, centralized profile management, share script bookmarks and proxies, Chrome extension installed across the team. So kung affiliate ka, crypto team, or VA agency, sobrang sulit nito. Discount for my viewers nga guys. Sa mga interesado mag-buy, you can use my promo code Mr. Crypto. Exclusive 20% discount kayo para sa mga first time user ng Dolphin Anti. Just use my discount promo code and click may tracking link sa description para makakuha nyo yung libreng discount nila guys natin. So ito yung account natin guys sa mismong website. Ayan, ito yung ating overview. So tayo guys, nag-invest tayo ng plan natin na base. Dito, makapag-upgrade kayo guys. Just click upgrade lang naman. Meron tayong free. Ito yung makukuha mong benefits. Starter pack. Ito yung makukuha mo guys na plan. And base din ito guys. And team. So per month yan guys yung ating payment na yan. So I suggest if you want to try this, you can try free or starter pack. Ito is pang solo lamang. If meron ka mga team, small team, you can try base. Ito lang guys, yung dalawa na yan. If you want to add additional profiles, kailangan mo magbayad ng 10 USDT or dollars. So choose plan lang naman guys to start. So guys, choose base talaga dahil ito yung pinili ko. Example yan guys, piliin mo lang yung gusto mo, payment period, 1 month to 3 months to up to 12 months, 1 year. pwedeng Stripe, e-wallet, stablecoins, and crypto yung pambayad nyo. So, ganyan lang kay basic mag-buy ng plan dito. Dito naman meron tayo affiliate. If you want to invite your friends, you get 15% all payments from your referral users din. Ito yung links mo guys, copy mo lang and share mo lang sa mga friends mo. Dito naman yung billing natin for the plans na binay mo, login history. Ito yung ating IFI, date, and everything. And sa API naman guys, ito pwede kayo mag-generate ng token para magamit nyo guys. Input mo lang yung name, expiration, and generate a token. And if you want to start and more access about dito guys, for creating starting multiple, you need to start using Dolphin Anti application, which is download mo lang siya and install mo lang sa inyong mga PC or laptop. Alright guys, ito yung pinaka main application nila. So install nyo lang sa inyong mga Windows or laptop. After yun guys, ito nga tuturuan ko paano ba mag-create ng account or profile para sa ating mga businesses or saan gusto nyo gamitin. Ito guys, create mo lang or click create profile. Ito naman, lagyan mo ng name yung profile mo. Example, gagamitin ko akin for the casinos. Ayan, casino. Or kung kahit saan man yan guys. Nandito naman, click mo lang to new print. Kasi kailangan mo siyang i-click dahil yung print na yan is babaguhin yung proxy mo, kung taga saan ka, yung ating WebGL, which is yung device na gagamitin mo. So ayan guys, click natin. Nabago yung web info natin. Naging NVIDIA GeForce 650M and GPU natin. So real yan guys, makikita ng mga companies or kung saan ka man gagamitin yan. Dito guys, piliin mo lang profile type na gusto mo. None, for FB ba, for Google, for TikTok, or crypto. Sa crypto kasi guys, yun yung para sa mga airdrops. So click mo lang yung none for everyone yan guys, kahit saan pwede, which is browser yung magiging IP natin. Pinaka main internet and device natin yung mababago, which is pwede mo gamitin for anything na meron sa browser. So example guys, ayan. Here, piliin mo lang yung new proxy. If meron ka mga proxy dyan na binili, you can find new proxy naman sa web Google. Search nyo lang proxy for sale. So binibili yan guys, meron mga free. And enter mo dito guys manually yung proxy, change IP URL and proxy name. I suggest guys, if you want to buy or get free proxy, click mo lang tong new guys here, itong arrow or yung U. Ito guys, may get free traffic and high quality proxy para sa mga partners nila. Sa mga partners nila guys, which is connect mo lang siya and then makakakuha ka ng libre. I use na proxy guys. Ayan, click ko lang siya. Ito guys, meron libre na 10 ata yan. So is nagamit ko na yung 5 or 10 ata libre. So nagamit ko na yung 5. So max na ako. Dito guys, pipiliin mo lang yung location. So iba yung location mo, pwedeng random. Kung ibang bansa, iba't ibang bansa, pwedeng Philippines. Kung Philippines gagamitin mo. Example guys, Bicol and city, piliin mo lang din. And hanapin mo lang guys kung anong gusto mo. May Central Luzon, may Mindanao, Visayas. Kahit ano guys, meron dito. Then yung city. Example nyan, and then click mo lang tong check connection. Kapag wala makita, hanap ka lang ng iba guys dito. Siguro dito sa Luzon tayo. And San Jose yan. Alright guys, ayan, mali siya. So ito guys, Caloocan City, Metro Manila. So yun yung atin nakuha guys dito sa Central Luzon, San Jose del Monte. So after nyan, click mo na itong get proxy. Then guys, okay na nga. Here, ayan, okay na. Kailangan mo lang gawin is create profile lang. And done. So now, click natin yan, start. And right here is, check mo lang yung my IP address. And click mo lang to para ma-check natin yung IP natin kung tama ba na tugma yung ating IP address dito sa ating ginamit na proxy. So verifying pa siya. Wait natin. Alright. So right here, ayan, loading pa siya guys. San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, 14, Philippines. So, ayun nga guys, masabi ko lang, super legit na ito and working sa mga gusto, sa mga business dyan, sa mga gusto ng mga tricks. Creating multiple accounts with no detection, no ban. Pwede guys. Ayan, kahit anong gusto mong search, i-open, pwede kang mag-create ng account with different IPs. So yun lang, sa mga interesado, click my link down below. If you want to get discount plans, just put my promo code guys, Mr. Crypto. Magkakaroon kayo ng 20% discount sa mga plan nila. So, kailangan mo ng plan para mag-create ka dito ng unlimited profile mo. Important reminder lang guys, gamitin lang ang official link ng code sa description para ma-apply yung discount. And my final thoughts naman about dito, so overall, if you need privacy, multiple account safety, automation, professional level control, Dolphy is one of the best anti-detect browsers out there. Check the link in the description box below, join their community, and test it yourself guys. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Salamat sa panonood and see you in my next video. Peace out.